Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW M4 easy method. Start by sketching the car's overall silhouette with light lines to establish proportion and wheel placement. Block in major shapes like hood, roof, and trunk before refining details. Keep checking references for correct angles and stance. Gradually darken important lines, add grille and headlights, then finish with shading to convey form and depth. Start by locating the wheels and setting proportional guidelines for the body and roofline, using light marks to keep everything adjustable. Draw the tires as ellipses that sit on the baseline and adjust their sizes to match the M4 sporty stance. Connect wheel centers with the chassis line, then sketch the hood and cabin shapes to fit those proportions. Constantly compare with your reference to maintain accurate silhouette and balance. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for background music while you sketch. It keeps motivation high and timers handy. I use it to play focus playlists during drawing sessions, and it fits any studio setup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now focus on the BMW M4's recognizable details, starting with the kidney grille and sharp headlights that define the front end. Refine panel lines like the hood crease and fender bulge to convey muscle and flow. Add mirrors, side skirts, and wheel spokes with confident strokes, then erase construction lines. Finish by shading under the car and inside wheel wells to ground the vehicle and accentuate contours for a realistic look.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.